Two World War II aeroplanes crashed to the ground in Texas after colliding Saturday while flying over a Dallas air show, federal authorities confirmed. Bystander videos of the incident posted online appear to show a small fighter plane clipping a slower flying B-17 bomber at the Commemorative Air F. Currently, we do not have information on the status of the flight crews as emergency responders are working the accident. Leah Block, Vice President of Marketing for Commemorative Air Force, told USA Today in an emailed statement. Emergency crews raced to the crash scene at the Dallas Executive Airport, about 10 miles from the city's downtown. Anthony Montoya saw the two planes collide. "I just stood there. I was in complete shock and disbelief," said Montoya, 27, who attended the air show with a friend. "Everybody around was gasping. Everybody was bursting into tears. Everybody was in shock." Live TV news footage from the scene showed crumpled wreckage of the bomber in a grassy area. The Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress, a renowned World War II bomber, and the Bell P-63 Kinkabra collided and crashed around 1:20 p.m. Saturday. Both aircraft flew out of Houston, according to a statement from BL.